What is going on, guys? The Bitcoin price is still trending here to the downside. And today we should talk about potential levels that we have to watch right now, really urgently, to see where the Bitcoin price is heading next and from where I expect to see a bounce in the immediate short term for Bitcoin. If you think that is interesting, then definitely stick around here until the end and make sure that you subscribe to the channel, like my video, and also activate the bell so that you will help with the algorithm so that we can reach here more people in the AMCrypto family. That would help me out a lot. And now let's get directly in today's content. So here on the daily chart, we have still a golden cross, and that could mean that we are still on track, everything is fine. So, and that we are still here in the Y-curve accumulation pattern, still in this correction that we have here to the downside before we see here a bounce back to the upside. So for now, this structure is still intact. Nothing has changed there for now. So when it comes to specific levels that we should be watching out for, first, I want to give a shout out to everybody that was able to catch the short trade that I was calling for all the way from here. I told you short Bitcoin at $23,160, and the take profit point, the first one, is at $22,600 all the way down here. And this still stands, guys, and that is the first level that I'm looking at for a potential bounce for Bitcoin. If we fail to bounce from here and we break through it, then the next level is here, this green box. Within that green box, we could see a potential bounce the first time at $21,500-ish. That is something that I'm looking at right now. Unfortunately, I was not able to catch this short trade. I was today at a conference here in Dubai. The conference season has started again. So I was unfortunately there, was not able to catch it. But I will catch the next one. I'm even more happy if you guys were able to catch that, because I make these videos so that you can make generational wealth here and a lot of money so that you can fulfill all your dreams that you have. That is the main reason why I'm doing that. And yeah, that's why I'm even more happy if you guys make money. So here on the daily chart, we have some signs of weakness, and one of them is here the stochastic RSI, because first we got a buy signal and now it looks like that we're rolling over, and I mentioned that this is a possible scenario that we are rolling over, and that is exactly what's playing out here right now. That we are rolling over, potentially get then here a sell signal, so the price will go even lower, or it starts to go sideways lower, and then at some point next week or over the weekend, we could see a bounce back to the upside in the stochastic RSI and also in the price action for Bitcoin. So for everybody that was not able to catch this trade, you should definitely wait until this correction has played out. I would not jump now into any short positions if you don't have one already from a safe level that was up here. I would wait for to see if we get a bounce here at 22,600 or in this green box, and a bounce from there back to the upside. So, and while you are waiting for this trade, don't forget, if you want to trade, do this on BYBIT. They still get $30,000 with that specific link here. Only with that link you can claim the $30,000, or on Bitget $20,000 also only with that specific link here in the pinned comment below and in the description of this video. So then let's move on to this 4-hourly chart. Here you can see that we got a nasty fake out yesterday to the upside, and I was actually trading this to the upside. I was getting in at like 23,100. So I was getting in here in this candle yesterday, and I closed it up here. So why did I close it there? I closed it because I saw the Bitcoin price struggling around $23,300, $23,400, and I was on my phone, so I was not looking at the chart, I was on my phone, but I knew that these two lines are staying in the way of Bitcoin to move here into higher prices. And that's why I closed yesterday the trade. I actually announced it in my Telegram, in my free Telegram channel. The link is also below in the description and in the pinned comment below. That I was trading this. I announced the trade and also that I closed the trade with a really nice profit there. And yeah, from there we saw then a reversal back to the downside. And now I believe that we will sweep here all these equal lows that we see here along that line. All these equal lows will get swept here again to liquidate a lot of people that are still long in the market and over leveraged. And that could be then the first level to be looking at for a potential bounce, as I already mentioned. So then when we then move here to this 4-hourly chart on the Super Guppy, here you can also see that something really dangerous is right now happening for Bitcoin, and that is that we are in this gray band for Bitcoin on a Super Guppy. And when we go into the gray colored zone of the Super Guppy, normally it means that we get a trend reversal or indecision in the market. So that is a moment where we have to pay attention what's happening, because in the worst case, this will flip now into orange and red, and then we are officially in a bigger downtrend again on the mid to higher time frames. And that is, of course, not good for our gains on our portfolio, but it gives also, again, ample time to accumulate at potentially slightly lower prices than we have right now. So here, based on the Super Guppy, we should also not rule out that we go all the way down here to the 200 MA and touch this at around $21,700. And that is coinciding with the green box that I showed before, that we could come all the way down there and then bouncing back to the upside. So to sum it up, guys, right now things are not looking all too well for the short term for Bitcoin. We should get ready that we see potential lower prices here between $20,500 to $21,800 ish. That is my price range that I believe that we could potentially dip into if we are not bouncing, as I said, from 22,600. And it looks like with this 4-hourly candle that we just opened, we might test already $22,600 potentially today. So be careful out there while you are trading. Don't over leverage yourself, and don't forget, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you then again tomorrow.